Hi Aries, this is your love reading. I am going to look at the person who is on your mind when you are watching this reading. Someone specific, someone who is important to you, could be your spouse, could be your lover, could be a boss, could be a relationship that affects you romantically or your feeling sector. So I'll be talking about this person's feelings about you, what messages they have for you, what you can get and see regarding them. So I'll be talking about that. I will also talk about the outcome and also what response you should give to this person and what is their challenge in this love situation. So I see that their first energy regarding you and this relationship is Four of Pentacles. This is a relationship of guarding. This is a relationship of being miserly in love. Basically, they hold a guard. They have a kind of guard, and they don't tell you everything. They are not generous in this relationship because they come from a situation of lack. So they have felt lack, or they are feeling lack towards the feeling situation right now, and that's why they don't give you much. However, they want to keep a status quo in this relationship, so they are guarding their own secrets, their own feelings very very fiercely, and they are not wanting a heartbreak because they are coming out from a situation of heartbreak or situation of lack in their lives. It could be because of you, because you said something or you created a certain situation which caused lack situation or situation of being abandoned in the past. So that's why they are very guarded. So what's their feelings towards you? They feel that this relationship has run its long course, not over yet. They feel love, they feel a deep connection, they feel a commitment, they feel that it has been a long term. They realize that there is a formal unification in this love situation. There could be a marriage, there can be a commitment for some of you. They feel that it has you guys have been together for a long period of time, and this feeling is coming over them while they love you or while they communicate with you. However, their reckless action in the in this period, or it has already happened, has caused sadness for you. It has caused sadness for you, or your reckless behavior has caused sadness. They are in sadness. I don't know why they are feeling sad, but they are still feeling sad. They still have some regrets, or they are regretting their own recklessness in this situation. Maybe this walked out of this love situation, or you walked out. So someone or both of you walked out. So there was a situation like that. Someone took risk, or you guys have come back together, but the heartbreak remains, the sadness remains. However, right now the situation is progressing, and it is on a thin line. Though it is on a thin line, you guys are figuring out, weighing the options. They are weighing the options in this love situation, and they are waiting patiently for some results in this love. They want to meet you and you want to meet them, so there has to be a reunion which has not happened, because it could be a long term, long distance relationship, or the patch up has not happened, or the final truce has not happened. So some talking is going on, there is some weighing of options going on. Situation is on the thin line, that is what I am seeing. So what is their intention? Their intention is to is the world. They feel, either they feel that you are a world to them, like you are their world, or they feel that they need to be free in this relationship. They don't want to be taxed in this relationship. They don't want the exhaustion and woundedness, because they are feeling very wounded and battered in this love affair. they want freedom. They want freedom, or they want to, change the cycle. They want to have a new leveling up, or some wish fulfillment in this love, some success in this love. So they want to come towards you. They are not giving up on you, however wounded they may feel. So whether they love you really, the Three of Pentacles is showing that they want to know more about you. They are discovering new truths every day about you. You guys might be in long distance, or they want to put in effort, or they are putting in effort in this relationship. However, this card doesn't say yes or no, but it is a positive card. It is a neutral card. So they want to expand. They want expansion in this love. They want to meet you actually, but there is something which is stopping them. Could be a third party situation, could be a situation of work. So they are either working very hard, and with that they want to love you, or there is something which they want to know about you, or they don't feel exactly up to your standards. That is what I am seeing, because I see sadness. I see conflict, because they think they have been betrayed, so they are pulled in two different direction. They feel unequal. They feel unequal to you, and they don't consider this relationship equal, or they don't consider you as equal on on the equal ground. That is what I feel. However, they love you. They love you. There is no doubt about that. They love you very much, and they are waiting for the time when they will show their love to you. So the Magician card overall is telling me that sometimes they hide things from you, sometimes they play games with you, sometimes they manifest you. So there is a this love is very very challenging for them, and sometimes they feel exhausted, and then they don't want to go into the routine of this thing. They take pleasure in playing some games with you of the mind. So there is this kind of energy here. So this Magician card, whether they love you, is a yes card. They love you, but then they are a bit tricky. They are a bit tricky, and sometimes they manifest you. That is what I am seeing. So angels are saying that the outcome is going to be based on destiny, and based on some surprise thing which is going to happen with it. So the Tower and the Wheel of Fortune is saying that it is not based on circumstances, but it is based on your action with rapidly changing situations in this love. So basically it depends on your temper, it depends on your attitude, it depends on your tolerance regarding this person. That is what I am seeing, because the outcome is yours. The thinking is theirs, the outcome is yours. The outcome depends on rapidly changing fortune situation for you, things changing now, changing very drastically. So at this time you need to have control over these things which are affecting your comfort in love. So you have to have that attitude towards this love, trust towards that person, or tolerance towards this person to maintain this love situation. So angels are advising you. They know that it is a long distance relationship, or they are asking you to step out of your comfort zone, increase your horizon. Maybe there is something more for you. They are saying there could be heartbreaks. They are saying there would be situations of neglect or abandonment in this situation. So you will go through all these things. However, with the King of Wands energy, they know that you will be able to control, you will be able to attract, you will be able to find the things you want in life. So basically whether this person is going to give you everything or not. You will not be dependent on that. So your attitude, your tolerance, or your leadership qualities will make things happen for you in this love situation, because your person is challenged with the King of Pentacles. For them everything is bottom line, everything should have a practical connection or materialistic connection. So they don't come out of that comfort zone, they don't come out of stability. They require stability, they require safety, they require they require to keep their job or their material abundance or their responsibilities with their family or you. So they are consumed in that. But you are a person who is free, who wants love, who wants new things, who wants adventure, who wants freedom. So there is a clash between these two people, but not a big difference between both the parties. And I think that this can be solved, and this can be solved if you guys don't reject each other or have fights with each other on small issues. You need to, one of you must adjust in this situation. That is what I see. So if you have liked this reading, please like and subscribe. If you have something to say to me, write it in the comment box. People who have love problems or problems in other aspects of their lives, they can contact me for a personal reading. I give these readings to people. These are prepaid and pre-booked. So contact me through the comment box. I will let you know how to book my readings. And people who are missing out my readings, please do subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Bye bye.